You've also got NHAI, which has rejigged the road project premiums. So let's start with then Satish Parak, MD at Ashoka Buildcon. Satish, hi, morning. Good to have you on the show. The NHAI now has allowed 9 of their projects to rejig their payment premium. This is definitely a welcome step for the industry. How many of your projects are you looking for premium rejig?
Yeah, hi, good morning. We are having 2 projects where premium rescheduling can happen on completion of the construction part of the phase. The 2 projects have a premium of around 170 crores a year. And this is a very good move that NHAI has done for first 9 projects. Our projects will be due for rescheduling, say, another 6 to 9 months.
So how will the mechanism work? Road builders will be allowed to rejig their premium, which is the interest outgo, but eventually who will take the haircut?
See, there is no haircut. This is just rescheduling, this postponement of paying of premium, and for this they will be charging us 11% of interest around.
Okay, how much money will Ashoka Buildcon save because of this?
To the tune of 100 crores every year we will be rescheduling. Say if I was supposed to pay this year, it will be paid down the line.
How will it change the quality of your balance sheet? Do you see debt burden reducing for you significantly?
Yes, our sub-debt burden, which we would have required for a period of say 2 to 3 years, so that will get as an additional cash flow.
What could be the total saving for the industry? Because if you will save 100 crores on an annual basis, I'm sure the number for the industry would be very large. It could be a 4-digit number.
It is basically the arbitrage of 100 crores which is the saving, not exactly the 100 crores.
Okay.
Because my borrowing cost of sub-debt is 14-15%. Now I have to service this only with 11%. So it improves my cash flow and I get this arbitrage of 4-5%.
Okay.
Satish, one final question from my end. NHAI order awards as well have picked up. Have you put in any bids?
We have been pre-qualified for another 25,000 crores of project, which we have shortlisted for bidding. And we will be bid them as and when they come in the next quarter.
Satish, final question. The industry has been criticizing the NHAI policy and in fact the BOT policy, but do you think now things are going to improve going forward because the NHAI is open for some kind of a dialogue and they are also not stringent when it comes to the norms?
No, NHAI has come forward very positively. In last 2 quarters we have seen even the change in premium rescheduling was a very positive step from NHAI. And going ahead with the support of the new government, definitely we hope to see a lot of improvements.
All right, Satish, appreciate your time and thank you for joining us. Some of the companies which automatically will benefit or should benefit I think is the right term here, Ashoka Buildcon, IRB Infra, Sadbhav Engineering, basically companies which derive or where road construction is still bulk or chunk of the revenue. So NCC could also flare up, IBRCL could also flare up, Island First Transport could also flare up. This is not such a great news for an L&T, for that matter any of the big construction company. Only road or asset owners in the short term will benefit.
Okay, that time on the show then. 4 minutes left to go before we kickstart trade for this Monday morning. So let's go across to Mitesh and get in his trading strategies. Mitesh.